Hi everybody, welcome back to our Facebook page. We have cut mini circles from pink paper. We are fixing it with fire and paste all the petals together and you will get a beautiful flower. Add a pearl in the center. Then we are covering the moon from the same sheet of paper but in green color. Cover it completely like this. Then we are tying the yarn throughout it and in a cross manner like this, and how pretty this is looking. Then add more leaves like this and paste those flowers on it. Look, we are making a wall hanging, and look, your wall hanging is ready. We are covering this ring using yarn. You can get this ring from sellotape. Cover it completely and we are making such two rings and put another ring inside it. Then we are making frills using the same color yarn like this. You have to fold it again and again on your fingers. Tie it at one end and again tie it from little bottom like this. Add pearls inside it and look, your hanging is ready.